Hi, this is Ken from the BB Garage, and today I'm going to show you how to convert your CenterLine reformer trap combination from a reformer to the tower combination. So it's a really simple operation. It takes just a few minutes. So the first thing you need to do is just to take off your straps, and then I want you to remove the shoulders, and the way you do that is by pulling this pin out and sliding this forward and lifting it up. Put that on the floor. Same thing here, pin up, slide forward, lift it up. Come over here, take off the springs. Otherwise it just won't stay back. Move this all the way to the back. Then put your foot bar down. Okay. And then grab your mats. And if you look at your mats, they look exactly the same from the top. But the thing that distinguishes them is this seam. There's a seam on this end, on that one there's a seam on that end. The seams always go towards the center. Now when you look at your mat, you're going to see one of them has these things called mud flaps. The purpose of the mud flaps is to protect the pad from the springs, from the tower springs. And the thing to know is that these actually do come off. They work best when they're close to the pegs here. So I'm going to move this one over a little bit so it'll be protected a little bit more. And then all you do is drop this in and put it in place against the bars here. Make sure your mud flap's out. So you just lift this guy up, pull your mud flaps out. That's into position. Then you get your front mat, which looks really identical. And basically, all you need to remember is to put your seam towards the center here. So this is the seam right here. If you do that, it goes in really easy. Slide it up against there, center it, drop it into position, and you're ready to go. So that's it. Enjoy your CenterLine reformer. This is Ken from Balanced Body from BB Garage. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time.